Good morning, class 4th class. This is the English literature book, and today we'll start chapter 8th, the recycling wrap. Recycling means reused, any waste material or old material that you can reuse. Okay, and also giving for reuse. Clear? And rap, you can say poem and song also. Okay, this poem is written by John Foster. Okay. So, in this chapter, we will explore how used things considered waste can be reused. Okay. In this chapter, we'll learn how can an old material can be reused. कैसे किसी पुरानी चीज का हम दोबारा से यूज कर सकते हैं. Learn about word pairs and understand the use of infinitives in sentences. Word pairs means two words together, and infinitives means two verb, to go, to sleep, to come. Okay. And third thing is learn to write a notice. Okay. Also in this poem we also learn to write a notice. This is a short description of the poem. What do you do with empty bottles, old newspapers, wrappers, and packing materials after using them? Okay, class. So here the poet is asking you that what do you do with empty bottles, old newspapers, wrappers, packing materials और materials like this. आप क्या करते हो जो भी आपके पास पुराना सामान रहता है, चाहे वो खाली बोतलें हो, पुराने न्यूज़पेपर्स हो, रैपर्स हो, पैकिंग मटेरियल्स हो, या इस तरह की पुरानी चीज़ों का आप करते क्या हो. People often throw these things away without much thought. Mostly people, what they do? They throw it. ज़्यादातर लोग क्या करते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ों को फेंक देते हैं बिना कुछ सोचे समझे. Read this poem about the importance of recycling things. In this poem, the poet is focusing and telling about the importance of recycling. Right? Recycling means reused. So from here the poem is started. Listen to me, children. Hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It's the only way to save this planet for future generations. The name of the game is reclamation. Reclamation means reused, taking materials from old products and making new things out of them. किसी पुरानी चीज को लेकर के उसका दोबारा से ऐसा कुछ करना जिससे कि वो दोबारा काम के लायक बन जाए, reused हो जाए. Okay? You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. Stop sitting on the fence means don't waste your time. Stop wasting your time. No more waiting. No more claptrap. Claptrap means full stop. Okay? Doing nonsense thing. Get yourself doing the recycling rap. Okay? Rap means here rhythm, song, a type of popular music with a strong rhythm and fast spoken words, like a song, like a music. Okay? So here the poet is saying to you that listen to me, children. Listen to me, children. Hear what I say. Students, children, listen what I am saying here. We have got to start recycling. We have to start recycling, reused of waste material. It's the only way to save this planet for future generation. It is only the one way to save our planet for future generations. Okay? The name of the game is reclamation. And the game name is reclamation. Okay? Reused of waste material. Okay? Old materials. You have got to start recycling. From today, you have to start recycling. You know it makes sense. It is a very sensible work. It is a very good work. Okay? So you have to start it. Stop doing nonsense thing. Stop wasting your time. No more waiting. Don't wait it. No more claptrap. Don't talk any foolish thing. Get yourself doing the recycling grab. Start this recycling. Okay? So In these lines, the poet is advising us, indicating us that we have to do recycling. Okay, and this is the only way to save our planet for future generations. इस लाइन में जो पोएट है वो क्या कह रहा है कि बच्चों, जो मैं कह रहा मेरी बात सुनो, तुम लोग जो हो रिसाइकलिंग आज से ही स्टार्ट करो। रिसाइकलिंग क्या होती है? जब हम लोग किसी भी पुराने सामानों का फिर से उसका दोबारा यूज कर सकें। रिसाइकलिंग फैक्ट्री होती है और उन फैक्ट्रियों में हमारे पास जितनी भी पुरानी चीजें हैं जिसका हम दोबारा यूज किया जा सकता है, तो उन चीजों को, चाहे वो बॉटल्स हो, रैपर्स हो, न्यूज़पेपर हो, पुरानी चीजों को जाके उन रिसाइकलिंग फैक्ट्री में दे देना चाहिए। ठीक, और ये जो है बहुत अच्छा काम है, इससे हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए सेफ्टी रहेगा। नेक्स्ट पैरा, कम ऑन एंड स्टार्ट रिसाइकलिंग। स्टार्ट टुडे बाय सेविंग ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर्स, नॉट थ्रोइंग देम अवे। डोंट जस्ट टेक देम एंड डंप देम ऑन द टिप। Tip means here dustbin. Okay, tie them in a bundle and put them in a skip. Here the poet is saying that let's start recycling. Okay, from today you have to start it. Okay, don't throw any old newspaper or any waste material, bottles, wrappers here and there. What do you have to do? You should make a bundle of old newspapers and put into the waste material container or box. Okay? यहाँ पे पोएट क्या कह रहा है कि आज से ही रिसाइकलिंग स्टार्ट कर दो। जो भी तुम्हारे घर में पुराने न्यूज़ पेपर्स हैं उसको इधर उधर मत फेंको। क्या करो? उन सबको कलेक्ट करो, बंडल बनाओ और जो फैक्ट्री होती है जहाँ पे ये सारी चीज़ें जाती हैं रिसाइकलिंग के लिए, उस फैक्ट्री में इन चीज़ों को दे दो, उसका बंडल बना के न्यूज़पेपर का दे दो for recycling. Next para, get collecting, protecting the futures up to you. Save all your old glass bottles and your jam jars too. Take them to the bottle bank, then at the factory, the glass can be recycled, saving energy. So in this, the poet is saying that to save the future, means our future, is in your hand, means children, hands whenever you got any old and empty bottles and jam jar or any box which is not in use, you have to keep in the bottle bank, submit or collected and then submit in the bottle bank and also give them to the factory of recycling. Okay, यहाँ पे जो पोएट क्या कह रहा है कि जितनी भी इस तरह की चीजें होती हैं उन सबको कलेक्ट करिए और जा करके जो बॉटल बैंक होता है, यहाँ पे बोतलें जमा होती है ना, वही बॉटल बैंक, और जो फैक्ट्री होता है इस तरह का जहाँ पे रिसाइकलिंग होती है वहाँ पे जाके दे दीजिए। इससे क्या होगा? हमारा फ्यूचर भी सेफ रहेगा और एनर्जी भी सेव होगी। नेक्स्ट पैरा, डोंट थ्रो अवे द एम्प्टी ड्रिंक कैन। जो ड्रिंकिंग बॉटल होती है ना, वही ड्रिंकिंग कैन। Remember what I said, start recycling, man. Wash it, squeeze it in flat and thin. Take it to the save a can and post it in. In this, the poet is saying that don't throw any drinking bottle or can here and there. What do you have to do? You have to wash them, flat them and give them to the factory for the recycling. यहाँ पॉइंट क्या कह रहा है कि अगर आपके पास जो ड्रिंकिंग बॉटल होती है, ड्रिंकिंग कैन होती है, इसको उधर उधर मत फेंकिए। आप क्या करिए, जो कि बॉटल फैक्ट्री होती है वहाँ पे जाके इसको रिसाइकलिंग के लिए दे दीजिए। लिसन टू मी चिल्ड्रन, हियर व्हाट आई से। नो क्लास, दिस लास्ट पैरा इज द रिपीटेड फॉर्म ऑफ द फर्स्ट पैरा। जो स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट पैरा थी वही चीजें लास्ट में रिपीट कर दी गई हैं। Listen to me children, hear what I say. We have got to start recycling. It's the only way to save this planet for future generations. The name of the game is reclamation. Okay, reclamation means reused of old materials. You have got to start recycling. You know it makes sense. You have got to start recycling. Stop sitting on the fence. No more pussyfooting. Pussyfooting means the act of behaving in an excessively cautious way by avoiding the issue. मतलब जान के भी अनजान बनते हैं ना लोग, जान रहे कि ये जो इशू है, ये जो टॉपिक कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन जानने के बावजूद भी अनजान बनना, दैट इज कॉल्ड पुसी फुटिंग. ओके, नो मोर क्लैप ट्रैप, गेट योर सेल्फ डूइंग द रिसाइकलिंग रैप. सो क्लास, in this chapter we learn that we never throw anything as like wasted garbage. Okay, whenever we have or we see any old materials, we have to throw it in garbage factory or bottle bank, okay, for recycling. Clear? And this will save our future clean and safe also. So class, here the poem is completed, and this is very important for our life. Okay, you should follow it, you must follow it. Okay, so class, thank you.